Nice doorbell.
Oh no! Come back! I hate my doorbell.
Has this ever happened to you? You lost a friend because you got a boring doorbell? Hello, I'm Tina Tina Chenuse. Do you want a fly fancy lifestyle? Then why is your doorbell so vanilla? Come on down to Doorbells and More. Here's a regular doorbell sounds like. No, I'm tired of that. You need a custom-made doorbell that speaks to you like this. Ding dong, you got a new doorbell. Yes, that is my voice. Why should it not be? This is my idea. At Doorbells and More, we got every kind of doorbell. Happy doorbell. Ding dong, come inside my house. Hello. Funny doorbell. Knock knock, who's there? Doorbell, ding dong. International doorbell. Bonjour, ooh la la, ding dong. I even have a fancy doorbell. Hello, wine and cheese, ding dong. Even for special occasion. Ding dong, I'm getting married today. Hello. Are you on the video? And guess what? I know we got a doorbell for every person. Just come up and ask me.
Hello, Governor. Got one for me.
Hello, tea and crumpets are pretty.
What about me? I'm a sweeper.
Okay, here it is. Ding dong, sweeper, dust, ew.
Thanks, buddy.
And hello, it's Christmas. So why not try a holiday doorbell like this? Jingle bell, answer your door. How about for? Are you religious? Ding dong, happy birthday, Jesus. They're Jewish. Ding dong, Hanukkah house. Go. How about when it's time for your holiday visitors to leave? Goodbye, I need to read my magazine. Now you're meek enough and be quiet. Let's listen to some testimonial from some person.
Tina made these doorbells.
That's all you have to say? Oh no. I've been able to do it for 10 years and that's what you do? Oh my god. So come on down to Doorbells and More and buy the fantasy doorbell of your dreams. Ding dong, bing boom, okay, hey hey, what? That's a good one. Bye bye.